Kata Heian Sandan. Performed by Sensei Hedwig, 3rd Dan.
Ayan Sandan.
The kata is performed at slow speed to study the 20 movements. There are 2 kiais, one on movement 10, the other one on movement 20.
Ayan Sandan.
The techniques used. Kata movement 1 and 4. Uchi Ake. Blocking of the forearm from the inside to the outside. Kakutsadachi, back stance. Kata movement 2, 3, 5, 6. Get on Barai. Downward block, lower level. Uchi Ake. Blocking of the forearm from the inside to the outside. Hei Sokadachi, closed foot stance. Kata movement 7. Morote Ake, double blocking with both arms. Kakutsadachi, back stance. Kata movement 8. Chudan Nukite, spear hand strike, middle level. Osahei Ake, downward block, with the palm of the hand. Zenkutsadachi, front stance. Kata movement 9. Chudan Tetsui Yoko Uchi, lateral attack with the underside of the closed fist, in the shape of a hammer, middle level. Hiki Te, pull the other hand back. Kiba Dachi, horse riding stance. Kata movement 10, the first kiai on this movement. Oizuki, front punch to the same side of the leg. Zenkutsadachi, front stance. Kata movement 11. Ryo Ken Kochi Kamai, pivot 180 degrees on the right foot to the left. Hei Sokadachi, closed foot stance. Kata movement 12, 14, 16. Yoko Fumikomi, lateral penetrating kick. Yoko MP Uchi, lateral elbow block. Kata movement 13, 15, 17. Jo Dan Yuriken Tadai Uchi, back fist punch, vertical, upper level. Kiba Dachi, horse riding stance. Kata movement 18. Tathei Chudan Shudo Ake, knife hand block, vertical, middle level. Hiki Te, pull the other hand back with a closed fist. Kiba Dachi, horse riding stance. Oizuki, front punch to the same side of the leg. Zenkutsadachi, front stance. Kata movement 19 and 20. The second kiai on movement 20. Jo Dan Mawashi Zuki, circular punch, upper level. Ushiro MP Uchi, elbow strike to the back. Kiba Dachi, horse riding stance. The Bunkai, an in-depth analysis of the fighting techniques used in the kata. Partner drills performed with Senpai Nathaniel, 2nd Dan. Like, subscribe and hit the bell to get all notifications.